Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hai semuanya, selamat datang kembali ke channel saya. Hari ini saya akan memberikan 15 contoh kalimat tanya menggunakan when dan diucapkan 2 kali. Check it out. When will the rule be used? When will the rule be used? Kapan peraturannya akan digunakan? When will we start final exam? When will we start final exam? Kapan kita akan mulai ujian akhir? When will the program finish? When will the program finish? Kapan acaranya selesai? When do you usually do your homework? When do you usually do your homework? Kapan kamu biasanya mengerjakan PR? When do you usually go to your hometown? When do you usually go to your hometown? Kapan biasanya kamu pulang kampung? When does she call you? When does she call you? Kapan dia menelpon kamu? When did they become friends? When did they become friends? Kapan mereka menjadi teman? When did you first come to Jakarta? When did you first come to Jakarta? Kapan pertama kali kamu datang ke Jakarta? When can you meet me? When can you meet me? Kapan kamu bisa menemui saya? When can I call you? When can I call you? Kapan saya bisa menelpon kamu? When is your next day off? When is your next day off? Kapan hari liburmu selanjutnya? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Kapan hari ulang tahunmu? When will the next train come? When will the next train come? Kapan kereta selanjutnya akan datang? When will I see you again? When will I see you again? Kapan saya akan ketemu kamu lagi? When will you come to my house? When will you come to my house? Kapan kamu akan ke rumahku? Thank you for watching. Terima kasih sudah menonton.